Hey guys, Florida Trailblazer here. I'm at Green Swamp West on the Florida Trail, hiking north into towards the Withlacoochee State Forest area. Actually, I just took a little cutoff though of the Florida Trail onto this blue trail. It's a side trail. Right there, see the blue? So this is supposed to take me to a campsite according to my map, and I just wanted to check it out. Never been here. It's always good to scout out areas. We are in part of the forest here that's considered the Big Bluffs, and if you look out there, you can probably see why. How it's just all open, upland pine forest mixed with open shrubs. Check this out, see? And we're just going to keep walking here. I'm not going to talk as much on this particular clip because the audio on my camera isn't the best, so I'd rather you get more of the scenery and the experience than just hearing me talking. But I just want you to see what I'm seeing out here today, and it's absolutely beautiful. So here's another shot of the bluffs over here. We actually just came from over there in that direction, and we were hiking this way along the Florida Trail. Florida Trail is going to keep going this way north. We got off on the side trail heading west, which is this way here. So now I'm heading towards this campsite. Okay, so we're still on this blue trail here, and it cuts through this little forest right here. See all these trees that surround it, the trail there that kind of cover the trail? Well, look down here, there's all these little holes in the ground here, and looks like something's been digging or tearing up the trail. That's from wild boars. So that's why I'm definitely being on the lookout back here. Don't want to surprise any of them if they're out here. They're actually probably hiding anyway because it's hunting season, I think. So as I was saying, this trail cuts through this row of trees here. It's pretty crazy. And then it's going to come right back out into this open scrub area where these pine trees come out. This campsite I'm trying to find, it's supposed to be up this blue trail. It's pretty far back here. So I've walked at least, it has to be almost a mile now, off the Florida Trail. We just came from over there. So when I first started the video, beyond that tree line. So we walked up this far. It's nice and quiet out here and peaceful. Absolutely beautiful. The only thing I hear in the distance is an occasional airplane. Other than that, just birds and the fresh air all around me. Now I'm noticing the ecosystem kind of change here. I'm heading down into like a cypress swamp kind of looking area here. I'll show you once we get up here. And this is what's interesting about hiking when you go through trails, is that you'll pass through various ecosystems. When I first started to hike here, we started at an area that was more of a pine forest, and then we went into more of an oak hammock, which is more of a thicker kind of forest, out into some open scrub. And now you can see how it's transitioning into perhaps more of a cypress swamp area. And this is called the Green Swamp, so it's got various ecosystems here. Okay, so the blue trail has me going this way. Yeah, see right down there, floodplain, all the cypress trees. And then over here is scrub, and then pine trees over that way. That way. Oh. Okay, what I'm going to do now is check my map, see where I am, see how far I am from the campsite, and then I'm going to check back in with you guys on the video, just so I can see how much further up it is. So that's the plan, because I'm coming out here to a service road, and I'm not sure where this trail's taking me yet, so I better check my map. Which is very important when you're hiking, to always know your bearings. So you can always backtrack, you know, but I'm going to go ahead and check that. I'll check back in shortly.